Are you tired of the same old boring lunches? Do you find yourself struggling to come up with quick and easy meal ideas that are also nutritious and delicious? Look no further. In today's video, we've got you covered with 12 amazing lunch recipes that are perfect for seniors or anyone looking to enjoy a wholesome and satisfying meal without spending hours in the kitchen. These recipes are not only easy to make, but they are also packed with flavor and will leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the rest of your day. So grab your apron and get ready to whip up some culinary magic. Let's dive into our top 12 best lunch ideas for seniors. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fantastic recipes and health tips. Let's start. No. 1. Cheesy bean and rice burritos. Burritos are a great option for a quick and easy lunch that can be made ahead of time and enjoyed on the go. They are also very versatile, which means that you can customize them to your liking. For example, you can add or subtract ingredients based on your dietary needs or preferences. You can also use different types of beans, cheeses, and sauces to create your own unique burrito. Additionally, burritos are a good source of fiber, protein, and other nutrients, making them a nutritious option for lunch. The combination of beans, rice, and cheese provides a good amount of protein and fiber, while the sauce and toppings can add flavor and additional nutrients. No. 2. Tuna salad with crackers. Tuna salad is another classic choice for a quick and easy lunch that has many benefits. It is a good source of protein and healthy fats, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it a great option for those watching their weight. Tuna salad is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. Additionally, it is a versatile dish that can be served in different ways. You can enjoy it on crackers for a crunchy and satisfying meal, or mix it with chopped celery and onion for added flavor and texture. You can also use different types of tuna, such as canned tuna packed in water or olive oil depending on your preference. Number 3. Turkey and avocado sandwich. A sandwich made with turkey and avocado is not only delicious, but also offers a host of health benefits. Turkey is a good source of protein and contains essential nutrients such as vitamin B6 and selenium. Avocados, on the other hand, are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. Together, these ingredients make for a nutritious and satisfying lunch option. Additionally, this sandwich is easy to prepare and can be customized to your liking. You can add lettuce, tomato, and other vegetables to increase the nutritional value and flavor of your sandwich. And if you're watching your sodium intake, you can opt for a whole grain bread to get more fiber and avoid processed ingredients. Number 4. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is a hearty and nutritious meal that is perfect for a quick and easy lunch. Lentils are a great source of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied. They are also rich in various vitamins and minerals, including folate, magnesium, and potassium. This soup is also very versatile and can be customized to your liking. You can add different vegetables, herbs, and spices to create your own unique flavor profile. You can also serve it with a dollop of yogurt or a drizzle of olive oil for added richness and nutrients. Whether you're enjoying it on a cold winter day or a warm summer evening, lentil soup is a delicious and nourishing choice for lunch. No. 5. Chicken Caesar salad. Chicken Caesar salad is a classic dish that is perfect for a quick and easy lunch. It features grilled or roasted chicken breast, crisp romaine lettuce, creamy Caesar dressing, and Parmesan cheese. This salad is not only delicious, but also very nutritious. Chicken is a great source of protein and contains essential nutrients such as vitamin B6 and selenium. Romaine lettuce is rich in vitamins A, K, and C, while the Parmesan cheese adds calcium and vitamin D. The combination of these ingredients makes for a well-balanced and satisfying meal. Additionally, this salad is very versatile and can be customized to your liking. You can add croutons, bacon bits, or other toppings to make it more flavorful and satisfying. Number 6. Veggie burger on a whole wheat bun. Veggie burgers have become increasingly popular in recent years as a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional beef burgers. They are typically made from a mixture of vegetables, legumes, and grains, which makes them a great source of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates. Veggie burgers are also lower in saturated fat and cholesterol than beef burgers, making them a heart-healthy option. When it comes to preparing a veggie burger for lunch, there are many options available. You can cook it on the stovetop, grill it, or bake it in the oven. You can also serve it on a whole wheat bun with lettuce, tomato, and other vegetables to make it more nutritious and flavorful. Overall, a veggie burger on a whole wheat bun is a tasty and satisfying lunch option that can be enjoyed by vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. No. 7. Leftover pizza. Leftover pizza can be a quick and easy lunch option that is both delicious and satisfying. Pizza is a versatile dish that can be customized to your liking with different toppings and sauces. Whether you have a deep dish or a thin crust pizza left over, it can be reheated and enjoyed as a quick and convenient lunch. You can also get creative with your leftover pizza by using it as a base for a new dish. For example, you can top it with fresh ingredients such as avocado, salsa, and Greek yogurt for a healthy and flavorful meal. Number 8. Quesadilla. A quesadilla is a popular Mexican dish that consists of a tortilla filled with cheese and other ingredients such as meat, beans, or vegetables. It is typically cooked on a griddle or in a pan until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is golden brown. Quesadillas are not only delicious but also very versatile and can be customized to your liking. You can choose different types of cheese and fillings to create your own unique quesadilla. For example, you can make a vegetarian quesadilla with beans and cheese, or a chicken quesadilla with cheese and salsa. Quesadillas are also relatively quick and easy to make, which makes them a great option for a busy lunch. Number 9. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Scrambled eggs are a classic breakfast dish that can also be enjoyed as a quick and easy lunch. They are a great source of protein and contain essential nutrients such as vitamin D and selenium. Spinach and tomatoes are also nutritious ingredients that can be added to scrambled eggs to create a well-balanced meal. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, while tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C and lycopene. By combining these ingredients, you can create a delicious and nutritious lunch that is satisfying and flavorful. Number 10. Hummus and cucumber sandwich. A hummus and cucumber sandwich is a refreshing and nutritious lunch option that is perfect for a light meal. It features a creamy and protein-rich hummus spread and the crisp and hydrating cucumber slices on bread. This sandwich is not only delicious, but also very easy to make. You can simply spread hummus on a slice of bread, add cucumber slices and seasonings to taste. This sandwich is a great source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making it a satisfying and nourishing choice for lunch. Additionally, it is a versatile dish that can be customized to your liking. You can add other vegetables such as tomato or lettuce, or top it with avocado for added flavor and nutrients. Number 11. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup is a classic comfort food that is perfect for a cozy and satisfying lunch. It features a rich and flavorful broth with shredded chicken, noodles, and vegetables. This soup is not only delicious, but also very nutritious. The chicken provides protein and the noodles and vegetables offer a good source of carbohydrates and fiber. Additionally, chicken noodle soup is very versatile and can be customized to your liking. You can add different vegetables or use gluten-free noodles for a healthier option. It is also very easy to make and can be served with a side of whole grain bread for a complete meal. Number 12. Shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is a traditional British dish that consists of a layer of ground lamb or mutton topped with mashed potatoes and vegetables. It is a hearty and satisfying meal that is perfect for a cozy lunch. Shepherd's pie is not only delicious, but also very nutritious. The lamb provides protein and the mashed potatoes and vegetables offer a good source of carbohydrates and fiber. It is also very easy to make and can be served with a side of green salad for a complete meal. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content. We've got plenty of other videos with delicious recipes and helpful tips that you might find interesting. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking.